What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going surfing. Forecast calls 3 foot 12 seconds. It's got us a little excited. There's no wind. We were here yesterday and got absolutely stormed out. Like, it was crazy. Lightning and crap striking, it was no good. So we're back here today. I forgot to let my rash guard dry, so I gotta put this guy on. That's gonna be fun. So yeah, that'll be interesting, boy. What's the claim?
About to get barreled.
Yeet. All right, so walked out on the beach. There's not a lot of wave action, but it should be possible for us to catch some waves. What's the claim?
I take back the barrel claim. It's not happening.
Nah. Little rollers, maybe a head dip, possibly. There's definitely some people out there shredding, so we're gonna get into the water, but there's nothing crazy big, so it's looking like a foamy day. So I'm probably gonna take the wave bandit out there first. Try to catch some waves on that old thing.
They're directly.
Yeah. I'm not looking forward to this at all. This thing is
Frozen.
sopping and covered in sand. Woo!
Ooh, that's cold.
Yeah, not looking forward to it.
That looks a little chilly.
Oh. Oh yeah. Nice and cold. Woo. The baby gnar. The baby gnar. y'all, we just got out of the water. Me and Braden are gassed. We had a great session on that sandbar out there. The waves weren't as big as the forecast was saying that they were gonna be, but we still had a lot of fun. Had a lot of good rides. Overall, this smoker day is good. But we're gassed, we're tired, we're hungry, thirsty. So that's a wrap on the sesh. Dang, we don't even need the metal detector to find treasure. Look at that. Boom. 1 dime. 1 dime closer to taking a vacation to Hawaii. Woo!
We're gonna need a lot more dimes.
Unfortunately. A lot more than this one. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you made it this far, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like. Comment down below, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have more videos coming as always. Have a great day and take it easy.
Yeah, bro, you're not